This TAGARNO microscope provides me with a great tool for visual inspection, since it allows me to see the magnified object in ultra-clear full HD image quality. What you see on the monitor is exactly what is under the camera. No distortion, delay or interference, which ensures high quality in our processes. With a digital microscope that is extremely sensitive to light, it gives an excellent depth of field and a great overview of the magnified objects. Computer options makes it possible for me to store uncompressed video and images in full HD quality for further editing or sharing. The digital revolution has added new life to the traditional optical microscopes. The ease of use of the TAGARNO is one of the most important benefits. It is just plug and play. Via a single snapshot, you're able to create easily shareable, high-quality documentation through high-definition images produced by high-resolution cameras displayed on high-definition monitors and computers. With standalone or computer-connected digital microscopes, TAGARNO paves the way for considerably improved communication by enabling you to document, share and explain your work and results to co-workers, as well as within departments, companies and supply chains.